Hello, JMC, and in this video, I'll be helping you to add Zoom meeting in your course. Okay, so let us go ahead. Here, if you want to add Zoom meeting in the course, just go here in the gear box and say turn editing on. Once you turn editing on, so in 17 August, you'll have Zoom meeting, in Zoom class. So just click there, okay, and come down, and you can see here add an activity or resource. Just click over there and scroll down to see Zoom. So you can see here Zoom meeting. So click on Zoom meeting and say add. Okay, unable to find your account on Zoom. If you are using Zoom for the first time, you must Zoom account by logging into Zoom. So see, for me, I don't have Zoom account. Because of that, I'm not able to add this. So I guess you'll have this one, and you can precisely keep the dates and time when you have to meet. So you can set up and say save it. Okay, in my case, I don't have account, so I'm not able to make, but for you it will be. So this is how you'll add Zoom meeting in the course. Then once you're done, then just say turn editing off. Okay, it is done now.